Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Investors and Traders Club. So here we are going to discuss about some of the stocks to trade on 11th November 2021. These are the 4 equity stocks I'm going to suggest you to trade on tomorrow, which are SBI Life, Bharati Airtel, Adani Ports and Mahindra. So which is in short form MM. And also I'm gonna explain you the Nifty chart analysis and as well as Bank Nifty analysis. You can also think about this as a pre-market analysis. So the first the first call I'm gonna suggest you is Mahindra and Mahindra. You can see today it gained approximately 3%. So the reason behind I am suggesting you this call is from past few days it formed a triangle pattern, huge triangle pattern. You can see we also gave this as a support level, but it became a resistance after some days on 24th November, and it consolidated, and on 9th November there was a breakout, and here there was a double green confirmation candles. You can see then there is a third, and from there to at 892 today at 919, approximately 29 plus points in 2 days approximately. So I'm also giving you this as a buy call for now, because you can buy over whatever the price it has. So you can keep the target for huge at 958, and you can also keep a stop loss of 892 for swing traders. And you can also, for swing traders, you can hold it for long term also, and you can keep approximate target at 970, and the stop loss would be same at 892. For intraday you can keep a minimum profit of 941, and you can keep stop loss below this green candle, which is 908. Yeah. Then the absolute risk reward would be 1:2.5 or something like that. So this is the first call I'm gonna give you to buy for tomorrow, because you can see from 3rd November it was bullish. It rallied from 846 to 918, which would be 70 plus points. So that's why I'm suggesting you this call. So please note the values if you can. So these are the price level, stop loss, buying price or selling price, and target I'm gonna suggest you for Mahindra and Mahindra. And going to the second equity call, which is SBI Life. So you can see this is in a sideways pattern from few days, and also today there was a red candle confirmation, and it nearly went from 11972 to 1182, which would be 15 plus points. And also I'm gonna thinking tomorrow it's gonna fall over here. Yeah, this is a simple strategy, everyone can do it. So just buy it if it touches over here at 1167, then sell it if it touches over 1205. So these are the prices. If the price tomorrow goes to 1205 rupees, then sell it. If the price goes to 1167 or 1168, then buy it. And if you don't wanna risk so much, so then wait for double confirmation, or a single confirmation would be also great in support and resistance level. So you can do this trade. So whenever the price touches, and you can simply keep if you buy the stock at 1167, then you can keep a stop loss of this here 1163, and target would be up to here 1205 for swing. And for intraday you can keep a target of minimum minimum 1187. And for selling you can keep you can sell over here, then you can keep a stop loss above this 1210, 5 points risk, and you can keep a target of up to here 1167. So the target is nearly 35 plus points, and the risk is 6 points. So you can calculate, this is a 1:5 risk reward call I'm giving. And also, so this is the second call I'm gonna give you for tomorrow. And the third equity call I'm gonna suggest to you is Adani Ports. Yeah, this is also same as Mahindra and Mahindra. Yeah, this is also same. As you can see, there is a resistance level which is broke over here, and also there is another resistance level over here approximately. Yeah, just wait a second. So this is another resistance level. So I'm if there is a green candle confirmation in 30 minutes, you can go long on here, and the target would be up to here 758, and keep a stop loss below the two candles of previous two candles. So like example, if you buy it over here, you keep a target of up to here, and the stop loss would be the previous two candles low, which is this green candle and this red candle. So the low of these two candles comes over here, then you can keep it stop loss of here. Yeah, and the target would be like this, and here you can get a good risk reward. And if there is a red confirmation in 30 minutes tomorrow, then short the position over here, and you same the process. Keep the stop loss above the previous two candles, so that would be over here, and the target would be you can keep up to here for swing. For intraday also you could manage up to over here 730. So by this way you can have a good risk reward over here. So this is a third call I'm gonna suggest you, Adani Ports. And going to the fourth equity call, which is Bharti Airtel, which was gone nearly 3% up today. Today it was rallied, a bullish day for Bharti Airtel. So you can see over here 22 SEP, there was a resistance level over approximately here. This was a resistance level. So tomorrow if the resistance level breaks and retraces a little bit, and it gonna go huge. So this is what I'm thinking, and this is also you can think as a long-term call. But tomorrow I'm thinking it's going to be a bullish day for Bharati Airtel, or maybe 2 to 3 days it gonna be consolidation. But wait for 30 minutes candlestick, and mainly wait for this resistance level to broke, and if it broken and gave a good confirmation, then please go long on it. It gonna reward you huge. I can say that. So this is the fourth equity call, which is Bharati Airtel, and the stop loss would be same over near this resistance level, below this resistance level, and the target would be long. You can give whatever the price. You can even carry Bharati Airtel into your long term, because this stock has a good potential in it. And also these are the four equity stocks I'm gonna recommend you to trade tomorrow, which is 11th November 2021. And going to the pre-market analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty option chart. Yeah, first we will go to Nifty. So in yesterday video I thought today may be a gap up, and it's gonna be huge like this way, but it turned to be a disaster for me. Yeah, there was a stop loss hit when the market has opened by a gap down. You can see this level, and then the buyers were in control of the market and pushed the price to the today's high. So the buyers also again gave a confirmation over here by two green candles, but I am thinking that I will enter whenever the price gives a huge green candle, like huge momentum green candle like this one. You can see from 17,893 to 1718. Whenever I get like this candle, I'm gonna enter. I'm just avoiding the small green candles because they are forming a fake green candles. So this is why I'm still observing the chart for the momentum. If you get a huge green candle, then please go long on it in intraday and swing. So tomorrow is a expiry, but you can go to the 18th November or 19th November and next week Thursday's call, sorry, options. So this is my analysis and I am still bullish on it. This is my point of view on Nifty up to here. I still believe it's going to be a bullish tomorrow also. And going to Bank Nifty, yeah, this also made me a loss today. Yeah, the reason is this is a resistance level, sorry, this is a resistance level, sorry, this was a first support level and now it became a resistance level where I thought over here there was a green candle gap down with a huge red candle and there was a consolidation, and then there was double red confirmation over here at 11:15 and 11:45. Then I entered over here and kept a stop loss above here 39,109 and kept a target of nearly 38,400. But the thing is the stop loss was hit and then again there was a huge red candle, but there was no confirmation again. So I'm thinking that it's going to be some few days that it's going to be in this consolidation range of 39,000 to 40,000 nearly. So 39,000 to 40,000, which would be 1,000 plus points. It's going to be a consolidation, and also you can see from nearly 29th October it was in a consolidation state, and I'm also thinking that I'm strongly believe that it's going to be some more days to be in that consolidation range. So just wait for the breakout of here at 39,000 or 40,000 above this double confirmation, then you can have a good reward. So these are my pre-market analysis and Nifty and Bank Nifty. So thank you for watching this, guys. If you like this video, please do smash the like button and comment what you liked, and please share it to your friends and family who are interested in stock market and want to know how to trade and how to learn it. And also don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more notifications from this YouTube channel of investors and traders. And once again, thanks for watching this. Keep investing and trading.